Hi everyone, I am Yoonsoo, a developer at Version Studio from ESRV. Thank you for inviting me. Version Studio has contributed to the blockchain ecosystem by developing essential services. Today, I would like to introduce multi-chain platform Version Studio provides. As we are aware, the current blockchain landscape is characterized by a multi-chain system. It comprises layer 1 chain like Swift, Solana, Near, and Cosmos alongside layer 2 chains, primarily built around Ethereum. Each step within this ecosystem has its own specific requirements. Some prioritize extremely fast transaction speed, while others emphasize robust security. Have you ever encountered a situation like this in a browser extension? As there are so many different chains and that users end up managing a lot of wallets. To address this inconvenience, we have launched Weldon Wallet, a web extension-based multi-chain wallet. As a result, despite the varying standards of each chain, Weldon Wallet provides multi-chain support through a single platform. This significantly enhances productivity and usability. Since Neutron was added to Weldon Wallet last week, you can now try using it. Feel free to explore its features and functionality. With Weldon Wallet, using a single mnemonic, you can manage keys and sign transactions across multiple chains. Also, we can deploy and run various smart contracts on multiple chains using just one wallet. Weldon Wallet is important not only for usability, but also for ecosystem building. Firstly, with the Weldon Wallet, users can easily access multi-chain networks and enjoy seamless interconnectivity. Furthermore, other chain users who have used Weldon Wallet can easily make a transition to Neutron, and it is a benefit of a multi-chain ecosystem. Then what can we do with the Weldon Wallet? Here are the three main usages of Weldon Wallet: NFTs, games, and Weldon Code. In the next slide, I will talk about the first one. Firstly, NFT functionality. It displays a list of NFTs you own, the transaction history of a specific NFT, and also transfer NFTs or bond. The Weldon team has set a goal to release this functionality by the first quarter of this year. Second, universal provider for games. We have implemented a provider that allows you to use Weldon Wallet in the Unity engine, as seen in this demo. When you press the start button, the wallet pops up and connects to the game. You can merge game items by just performing the transaction with your wallet. It's very useful because many game developers use Unity. Finally, Weldon Code. With Weldon Wallet and Weldon Code, you can develop contracts for various chains in web browser. Weldon Code is an official plugin of Remix. Before further explaining Weldon Code, let me explain Remix IDE. Why is a tool like Remix important? The rapid growth and expansion of the Ethereum community was not only due to the excellence of Ethereum itself, but also because of the teams and foundations that developed and contributed to tools like MetaMask, Galaxy, Trucker, and Remix IDE, and educational materials. Using Remix IDE allows developers to easily develop contracts, making it the most convenient tool for onboarding developers. That's why in non-event chain communities, people often ask if there is a tool like Remix IDE. So we plan the service called Weldon Code and developed Remix IDE plugin for multi-chain development. Currently, 7 chains are supported. Neutron, 3, Apples, Juno, Near, Zero, Bacon, and more can be added. There are several advantages to this approach. One of them is that it can increase accessibility to multi-chain development for developers from other chains. This means that developers from other chains can also easily onboard to Neutron ecosystem. The primary advantage of this web-based IDE is that you don't need any setup for the dev environment. Developers from other chains can try to develop Neutron contract without any additional setup. These are the commands you are currently seeing for setting up the Neutron contract development environment. In some cases, you may need to include additional commands that are not listed in the official documentation. For beginners, such an environment setup can be a barrier. Some individuals may become discouraged before even deploying a simple contract. For beginners, the experience of deploying and experimenting with a functioning contract immediately can be more important. We have also provided detailed documentation that explains step by step how beginners can deploy, execute, and migrate. Let me introduce a success case of Weldon Code. After the 3 mainnet launch in May, numerous 3 smart contracts were deployed on the mainnet. Among them, 10% were deployed by Weldon Code. What I would like to convey here is that Weldon Code has proven to be an easy to use and useful tool. This is your overall system design. First, a user imports the Weldon Code plugin into Remix. When the user casts a compilation, the plugin sends the source code to the compile server and receives the build artifact. And then using the artifact, the plugin generates the transaction to store code on Neutron chain, and it delivers the transaction to the wallet. Then the wallet signs the transaction and sends it to the artisan. I will now demonstrate from the beginning. Great, wait.
Oh, that's the disposal it's the same military. It means to be something solid because it already sucks for the program.
First, can install Weldon Wallet extension or Google extension. And create a new wallet from Weldon Wallet and set password. And you will see the money for one change. And let's add neutron for that. You can add using HTTP. You can store privately or choose an account by porting privately. And then in settings mode, you have to enable development to use the version code. And plug in manager and the code by version code and select neutron and connect to version code. And create central template, concept contract, and you can see count of contract sending code. And if you press compile, you can see build log. And I will
They just put our hand.
and for you complete, you can store code. And we're done wallet. Then the transaction to store code. And you can see transaction success. And the store code is completed. And after that, you can initiate contract. Initiate message with zero value, function value. And then let me check the count function. Query and count is 0. And execute increment function. And then query. And you can see count is 0. It was incremented by 1. And I comment related migration code, and I will modify the index increment by 2. And compile again. And at appeared you store code the migrated code. And the migrated code increases counter by 2. Let's check it works there. That's probably get count, and it remains value 1, and implement again, and get count for your again, and you can see it proceeds by 2, and migration was perfect as you expected. Thank you for listening my presentation. If you have any question, okay, thank you.